Here is a Temu purchase, Gflowers Expandable Garden Hose set with high pressure nozzle. Supposed to be durable rubber, and it fits for US and European outlets, and ideal for home cleaning and car wash. And I bought the 100 feet one. So this is the item that I received from Temu. So it does say the size there is supposed to be 3/4, and then these are the accessories that it came with, and the connectors, which I will try and see if it actually fits, because it's supposed to. We're not supposed to need any more external connectors than what I ordered. So I'm trying to fit them. There's some rubber and the hose, the high pressure nozzle. So here's where I go to the faucet outside, right? So I tried to put it on the top. That's where my old faucet was. My old hose was that broke. So I connected it. Here's my thing. It does not tighten enough to, like, I'm not sure if there's a trick on this one. I haven't seen reviews yet, but this is my own review for it. It does not tighten, so hold on to that one. I was trying to tighten it. The hose is flexible, so that's the thing. So it looks thin until you actually turn the water on and it expands. So now it's turning it on. I'm gonna show you because it leaks, and I have used this twice, and I'm still seeing that leak, and I'm trying to figure that out. And here's the nozzle. As well as the nozzle too, it leaks. It was, I'm not sure if there's a trick to tighten it, but I was able to use it to clean my car. And this time I'm gonna try to clean the front of the boat, right? And see, just to show you, like the water pressure is that's the most pressure you're gonna have. I like it. It's flexible. The hose. I got the 100 feet one, and it's practical with the price, but I've still yet to figure out the leak, because it leaks. Because the regular garden hose I didn't have any issues with leaking like this with the nozzle. So it's a Temu purchase. I'm not sure what yet to be done, because I've already tightened it, but that's it.